Parikrama House by SPASM Design Architects in Nandgaon, India. Approached by a friend who represents a minimal window producer from Portugal, called PANORAMAH. We were given the task of developing a sort of case study home, in the Murud region amidst a coconut grove. The windows, being super high-tech and modern in their presence, were meant to disappear against the verdant view. The plan evolved like a two-headed worm, with the sleeping spaces in series and the higher main living and dining spaces flanking opposite ends of the series. The idea being the tracing of a parikrama, a circum-ambulatory path, while moving from spaces, always in contact with the outside. The entire construction was planned in tilt-up stone slabs, hence allowing the minimal windows into cavity walls. Granite 40 mm thick was the material of choice. Stone has a sense of time built into it, like the grandfather of building materials. It is also a highly sustainable material to build with due to the least number of processes on it, from quarry to site. Conceived as a super-modern yet ancient vessel, this construct is a simple assemblage of giant panels of glass against huge stone slabs. A primitive sense of dwelling pervades, as the day turns into a starry night sky and the light pours out of the glass, making the stone invisible, a reversal of what one perceives in the day. Once all else decays, the stones will still stand.